Hi students, how are you? Welcome in my channel MCA. Today's my lessons about Java is class, what is class and what is object. Let's start. What is class? Most fundamental data type of object-oriented programming. And class look like C in C, where we use structure union, and class, we can say the class is more advanced than structure. An object is an instance of a class. Okay, we know already how to declare class, and right here the class name, suppose PRJ4. This is my 4 lesson 4. Now let's write something here. And the object, how to declare object? At first write the class name. Okay, next write P here. It is the variable, or it is an instance of a class. Now project 4, P is equal to new project 4. Okay, like this. Now we can access via P everything of project 4. Okay, let's start and explain I with a suitable example. Let's start a Java program. How to calculate the factorial value. Okay, so factorial calculation. At first I do this program in a simple form, then we convert it into object oriented programming structure. Okay, so class name, suppose it is project 4, public static void main, string is the parameter of main function, string, here GS argument as a string. Okay, now taken value, suppose it's integer a, and it's calculate the factorial value in f is equal to 1. So while a greater than 1. Okay. Now f is equal to f into a, and a must be decreased, a is equal to a minus 1, or we can write here a minus minus. Okay, now the output must be displayed system dot out dot print f. Let's see what is the output of this. And initialized a is equal to 5. That means we calculate the factorial value of 5. 5 means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That means 120. Okay, now save the file, Ctrl S. In my locations, that means E drive, MG Java, and in C4 folder. Same name is class name, project 4.java. And you must remember the file name or class name, the first letter always be capital. save. Now I compile it in DOS. Here DOS, that means Windows R. Right here CMD, okay, right here CMD, and change the drive, E drive, and CD MG Java, and CD C4, okay, CLS. Now project 4 is present here. Now compile it, Java C project 4 dot Java, okay. Now execute the program using interpreter Java project 4, and let's see here already bytecode are present, okay, project 4 dot class. Now right here Java project 4, output is 120, okay. So the logic of factorial value is correct. Now I update this program. At first a is equal to 5, it not initialized, the value is taken from user. So scanner SC is equal to new scanner, okay. The formats looks like class, this is scanner, and SC is their object. System dot in, and here I declare A is equal to SC dot next int, okay. And now the header file is required, so import java dot awt, not awt, abstract window toolkit not used there, import java dot util dot star, okay. Awt also present, discuss later. System, okay. Now let's see what happened. Open, compile it, Java C project 4 dot Java, compile first, then run it. Cursor blinking, I suppose right here 3, that means 3 into 2 into 1. I write here 4, that means 4 into 3 into 2, that means 24. So right here 4 and 24, okay. Now I complicate it again. Now this calculate, now this value is calculate using functions, okay, method. So right here a method function, suppose it is public void, that means anybody can access, void, name is suppose mg fact, okay. Here I taken a value, suppose like this, fact A, normal, okay. Now this is the logic, okay. So I Control X cut it and taken it into the function, in function, that means in mg fact, okay. So this is method functions. Now in public static void main I call these functions, okay. For better understanding I write here fact, Now use the separator. Now the project 4 is our class, so I write here project 4 and declare his object. Suppose P is equal to new project 4. Okay, now call these functions. P dot method name, method functions mg underscore fact here. Okay, let's see. So this is class, this is object, and we call the functions of project 4 class via this object. Okay, save, compile it. Okay, now run this program. Suppose it is 5. Let's see, this is fact 120, not only 120, it's previous program, and it's now fact 120. So today's we'll learn how to declare class and how to use object. Okay, in next class I definitely see you how to inherit the data. That means inheritance, most important chapter. Okay, thank you.